set in a virtual world, and it's not based.
I trained myself for this on Bermuda.